I'm at Chang Circuit. The light is just going down. We just got the sunlight fading out. Very cool time to be here always, because the temperatures are going down from the baking hot days you have here, cooling off. But you'll see behind me in the garage there are classic cars and more classic cars, and that's because it's time for Classic Revival 2022. It's Friday evening now. Classic Revival will be taking place tomorrow, Saturday, and the day after Sunday. This is the big one, the big classic car event, the Daddy. And already there's some incredible cars turned up. Cars have been arriving all afternoon. They've been pouring in. Most of them are coming up from Bangkok. They've been driven up. They're coming on transporters. They're coming on trailers, coming in special vans. They're all rolling up, and we've got a mega weekend ahead. So this video, just short, I'm just going to show you a few views, what's been going on today, the cars arriving, the cars unloading, and already you can see we've got quite a lot in the garages. I'm right on the apron behind the circuit. You can see Buriram Castle right behind me. But if I spin you round, you can just see transporters as far as the eye can see. And that is because when you're bringing hundreds of classic cars up to this event, most people don't want to drive them. It's 400 kilometers from Bangkok, where the majority of people come from. They don't really want to drive their cars up here. Some do. But a lot of them drop them on transporters, and the organisers get together, they facilitate transporters for people to bring their cars up, and the apron behind is full of transporters now, unloading cars. They've been working all afternoon, getting them off, dropping them down, taking into the paddock to set up. It's a lot of work, a lot of cars, all coming up on these transporters, and it's absolutely baking hot out here as well. I am frying in the sunshine. So I'm going to drop a little bit on, show you what's going on, show you the cars unloading, because there's some real cool stuff coming up the transporters.
Yeah, so we Lotus Cars Thailand. We're just here to support the Lotus team that will be attending the race tomorrow and on Sunday.
Here we are at Thailand Circuit. I'm looking for a good weekend. It's gonna be a good race this weekend. Cheers.
I think this weekend is going to start to get pretty serious. I don't know what this AG track car has got under the bonnet. The bonnet is shut, but this looks pretty full on. This looks a proper track car. I've just walked in the paddock and I think I might have peaked already. Just look behind me, two X19s, absolutely mint. For sure this is a Thai record for X19s together, two together. Gotta find out more, gotta catch up with the owner on these cars.
Hi Ed, I'm Sue and this is my X19, which I just recently drove up from Penang to Bangkok and now here to Buriram. And that's my other car, which is a Thai car, just recently restored. And this one I've had for 8 years, for some time now, and that one took me 3 years in the making.
And already there's some really crazy novelties here. Just look at this little Daihatsu coming off a trailer here. That's pure JDM style. That's what it's all about. This 2002, I saw at the Bangkok Hot Rod Show a couple of weeks ago. It was a star, it won a load of awards. The car looks absolutely fantastic. I thought it was just a show queen. What I've discovered now is the owner has just driven this up from Bangkok for the event. That's crazy, and he tells me he uses it as a daily driver. Absolutely amazing. This 205 is a new build. It looks absolutely fantastic. I am so pleased to see this car. It's just been done absolutely perfect. I am looking forward to seeing this over the weekend.